Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today it's just going to be like, this is a vulva, it is a vulva mystery box. Now then, I got this on Vulva and I paid I think it was $8.95 or $9.95. I will put some on the screen. So what it is I got a mystery gadget box, and okay, so it says, but I didn't expect to get the nasty whopping sting that I got, which is customs charge. So I didn't think that I would get that. So yeah, and it just is bad that I did. But anyway, I'm just going to open it up and see what I got, really. So we got to think that this was £8.95 or £9.95. And the nasty customs charge. So, okay, so let's just see what I got. Okay. This is not vulva at all. Right, okay, so then this is why wait. So this is the Good Molecules skincare. Okay, doke. Right. And what I got is a caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches, which is there and which is quite good. I said I did not know that I was getting this parcel. Totally is new to me. I thought that it was my Vulva lucky box. Anyway, that one will be up on my channel as well. I will show you what I got as well. So okay, so they sent me 2 items, and this is a clarifying cleansing bar by the Good Molecules Super. Oh, it smells gorgeous. The scent of that is really, really nice. So we will open this up and let's just see what it says. So it says, directions: apply on freshly cleansed but dry skin, and it says gently press into the skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes for a quick energized result. Why are we going like that light? I'm just going to try and put on my other bright light. Right, so the light didn't work, so this is the best way I'm going to be able to show you it. So it says a direction to apply onto cleansed or dry skin, and it says gently remove the hydrogel by sliding away this treatment. Okay, so it says AM and PM. This is definitely going in my fridge, which I will use it every single morning. And okay, so let's just open them up. Oh, it comes in this gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. I do like their packaging that they use. It's super nice. It's very high standard packaging by the Good Molecules, and yes, so there it is. Wow, and it comes with a little applicator, like just like that. Sorry, my nails is a bit of a mess, they need doing again. And that is what they look like. So all you would do, oh, do you pick them out? So yeah, you just pick them out like so, and all you do is realistically is just put them on there like that. I'm just going to use my mirror. Oh wow, there we go. You see that one is on. It's really, really hydrating. It's wakening and energizing and that sort of stuff. And yeah, so that is what I do like about that one. I just put that one just to show you what it's like. So now I'm just gonna close that up and go into that got stuck to it. Right, okay, so now we're just gonna go into the soap. So this is the Clarifying Cleanse Bar, soap-free cleansing bar formulated with white willow bark extract, kaolin clay and cacao powder to help maintain a clear complexion for acne-prone skin. Wow, super interested in this. Smells absolutely gorgeous. I'm super happy that I did pay the £12 because this is definitely worthwhile. I like it. It really is a nice item. It comes like that in a, it looks very, very posh. So I'm just going to get my scissors onto the job. Why has it gone quite dark in here? Come on, lighten it up. Oh, the smell of that soap is just amazing. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It really does. I do like the scent of that. It really is a nice. I'd say it smells a bit like coal. That's the sort of thing. And yeah, it smells a bit like coal. Charcoaly sort of scent I'm getting with this. But it is really, really is nice. I can't stop smelling it. It's like, oh wow, it's that sort of scent. It's so addictive. It really is nice. Sorry if you can hear that noise in the background. Right, so I think that is the end of my little mystery box. Yep, okay. So if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share. Please go over to Good Skin Molecules and yeah, and have a look at their products because they really are good. And yeah, so like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video.